Good evening, everyone.
Evening po.
As the father of the bride, don't expect to me, I'm not good as them. Sa akin na lang, papas, salamat. The first time I remember with my daughter, when she called me and say, Papa, mag-aasawa na ako. My first reaction is fear. Fear for his brother. Because at that time, his brother is studying at Pineo. And then I realized, graduating na pala si Jed. It's time siguro na dapat asikasin niyo na rin. Thank you, my dear daughter, for helping your brother. I can. And for that, thank you, Miggy, for choosing my daughter. I really, really appreciate it. And for the Trinidad family, thank you for accepting my daughter as your family also. Ano pa ang dapat ko ipasalamat? As a father of the bride, I would like to thank the principal sponsors, the groom, the bridesmaid, and everyone that you're here. No words can express how much to say thank you to all of you. Thank you despite of the typhoon and so many obstacles of this event. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would like also to have a special mention about our coordinator, Ma'am Olga Ma'am Olga Kalingasyan, and the photography. They're amazing. Thank you to both of you with a special participation. With a special pala sa aking papasalamat sa aking butihing may bahay. Thank you, Mama Weng, for the never-ending love to our family. And above all, thank you, Heavenly Father. You really love us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's all. That's
Yan.
covered with my wife.
Alright, off to the next. Sige po, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Evening, ma'am.
Miggy, Judy, congratulations! Ini ang tinatawag na tuloy na talaga. Kahit ang daming trials, LDR si Miggy noon. 2 years siya pa airplane, balik-balik weekend, talagang tunay ang pagmamahal ni Miggy kay Judy. Kaya ako, okay lang sa akin, proud ako na may nagpapadaba, may nagkikare sa anak ko. Kaya okay lang na sila na talaga. Kaya kahit saan kami mag-Manila, Bicol, entertain kami sa family ni Miggy kahit na-angioplasty siya. Nag-discharge siya 3 days nung Sunday. Hindi pwede siyang mag-travel, na-stranded sa flight, na-cancel. Yung kapatid niya, 2 lang sila, nagbiyahe, cancel na naman. Kaya, substitute yung kapatid ko, si Ate Emmy, Mr. and Mrs. Brutas, thank you so much. Nag-ano ka kay Miggy, family na talaga tayo. Miggy, alam mo na Miggy, ha? Ibibigay ko na sa'yo si Judy. Kahit nandyan kayo, si Jed, hindi niyo pabayaan, kahit nasa Manila, talaga kayong 3 nagsasama. Nag-i-school pa si Jed. Sila ang nagmo-monitor. Kahit scholar sa Ateneo, lahat, kaming family, kami talaga ang nagtataguyod. Kaya, very proud ako. Very proud.
There you have it, everybody. Palapakan naman po natin. A very beautiful moment here.
I forgot pala to papasalamatan our family of ours. The Castello family, the Contantes family, Arcilia, and to everyone here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sabi nga nila, ang babait ninyo.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bao. Nataya. Thank you.
Ayan, maraming salamat po.